Alright guys, so today's video is about unboxing, quick review and how to set up Oraimo Tempo 2S. And if you are familiar with this, you will know that this is one of the old smart bracelet or smart band from Oraimo Smart Accessories. So it has been long this guy came out, so I just decided to pick it up and show you guys. Not wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So starting with the price, if you want to get one from Oraimo eShop website, you are going to get it for 8,500 naira, but it is out of stock, so you can't get it right now. As you can see, it says it's out of stock. I got mine from one of their shops, so from one of their distributor, and they sold it for 11,600 naira for me at Ikeja. And let's see what's inside. So by the side, you are going to see Oraimo Authentication Center with the lab test result here, and you are going to see two baba with some features of the smart bracelet or smart band. At this side here, you are going to see Oraimo QR code for their social media platforms and keep exploring. So that's pretty much it, and let's open this guy up. Make sure you charge it up before the first time use. So this is what you are going to get at first, and you are going to see the smart band here. Peel it off. Comes with a very strong sticker, so peel that off. If you want to charge it up, just pull out the band. So as you can see, it comes with this connecting side, so that is where you are going to plug to your adapter. Here is my adapter, and please make sure you are using a 5V 1 amp or 5V 2 ampere to charge it up. Please don't use fast charging ampere. So you plug it like this and you can charge it up. The other side is just the plastic side. So let me just remove this just to show you. The other side is just the plastic side. There's nothing there, so you can just leave that into its position and plug this up. Okay, plug it this way and charge it up. Let's find out other things in the box. As you can see, the only thing that is left inside the box is the manual. You can see the welcome guide, and it comes with some instructions on how to set up the fitband, how to change the wallpaper and receive call and other stuff. So the recommended app for this Oraimo Tempo 2S is the Joyware 2 app. You have to download that from your Google Play Store or Apple App Store to get it connected, which you can see here. You are going to see Joyware 2 app, something like this, and you can sync it up to your smart band. Now you have to connect this guy up, and let me show you how to connect it up. Let's launch it. Once you launch it, please, first thing first, switch on the Bluetooth, data and location. So let me switch on my Bluetooth, my data and my location, which is the GPS. Okay, now once you have switched it on, agree to the privacy policy here. When you agree to it, it's going to show you this page. All right, at this page you have to log in. You have to use your username or email and password to log in. You can register, use the register option here. You can also ignore if you choose to ignore, or use a Facebook account to log in. Let's ignore, because sometimes this registration fails. So here at the background activity permissions page, you can see my Samsung phone, and you have to select go to set. You are going to see your phone type or phone brand up here. Okay, so let's select go to set here. And select go to set is going to show you app information. Please grant the permission here. You are going to select permissions and make sure you grant permission. As you can see, it says no permission allowed. You have to grant all permission for this smart band or fit band to work with it. So here I'm going to select these options one by one. Smart log allow, and you select the back option. Camera allow, select allow and select the back option. Just do that to every of the permissions, okay, so that it's going to work. If not, your fit band from Oraimo will not work. This for the location permission, nearby devices, phone and physical activities. Also for SMS, so that you can receive notification, And once you have done that, everything is now allowed. You can select back option and back and select ignore. Now you have to choose male or female. Select male and select the option down here, which you can see, the forward option. Pick your height, okay, and pick your weight. Please use the correct measurements here so that it will give you some calculations based on your age, your weight, your height, and everything like that. So here is the last step, which means target. Leave it at 8,000 and select complete down here. And select complete is going to show you the select device page. Here you have to search for the device. Okay, now select it and make sure your smart band is active and open. Okay, now it has discovered our smart band, which is OFB21. Select that and it's going to connect to our smart band. As you can see, it says finish syncing, and here you can see it is showing that it is connected to our smart band. You can see on my smartwatch or smart bracelet, you can see on my smart bracelet that is showing the icon of Bluetooth connected. Okay, so that is it. So you can see your heart rate monitor here. If you want it to be testing it every 24 hours, you can just toggle that on. There are a lot of settings you can check out yourself. To receive notification on your phone, let's start with call reminder. Make sure it is toggle on so that your smart bracelet will receive call reminder, that is, you have a call. So you have to toggle this on, and you can also reject with a key. You can do the setting yourself. Once you have toggled it on, you are going to receive notification that you have a call whenever there is a call. SMS reminder, select that and toggle it on so that you can receive messages and alert that you have a message on your smartphone. So you select that and it's going to receive messages. Okay, app reminder, just come to this app reminder here and you are going to see manually open notification permission. Select confirm and it's going to bring up the notification access page. Now you scroll down to Jewel 2 app and toggle it on. Okay, when you toggle it on, select allow, and when you allow it, you can now select back option, or you go back and it's going to show you your Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, and other stuff like that. Now the next thing to do here is to select or toggle on the ones that you want. I'll be toggling on the Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and let me pick Messenger because those are the things that I use. If you can't find your own social media app here, you can select more option and select more option once again, and it's going to bring out all the apps on your phone, so you can toggle it on and select and get notification from other apps like Telegram, which is not on the list. I can toggle it on here and I'm going to receive notification from Telegram on my smart bracelet or fitband. So once you are done, select back option and you can see the Telegram is now on the list, and that is how to receive WhatsApp notification on your fitband from Oraimo. So if you want to change the wallpaper of this, wallpaper, just press hold this something that looks like circle. When you press hold it, you are going to see it change like this. Now you can tap it and it's going to switch to this wallpaper or to this wallpaper or to this wallpaper, which is the default one. So let me change it to this one and I'm going to press hold on it. That means yes, and it's going to show that this is the new watch face that I'm using. As you can see, this is the new watch face. If you want to change it again, just press hold on it like this and it's going to show this default. Now you tap on it once, it's going to change. Tap on it, and if you want this, just press hold on it this way and boom, that is it. You can see you can now change it and it is going to show you that it is the new watch face. It's as easy as that, and to navigate it, just tap on it. As you can see, it's going to show you a lot of things, and if you want to go to the dreaming mode, this is it. If you want to check your message, just tap hold on it this way. It's easy to use, and if you have a message, it's going to show up here. This is the function option. You can tap on that also and it's going to show you functions of your watch. Okay, it's as easy as that. This is the info, this is the reset, this is off if you want to switch it off, and if you want to use it to find me or find your phone, you can just press hold on it. Press hold means yes, If you tap it, it will move to the next option, and it's as easy as that. And if you want to set the smart alarm clock, you can come here and set your alarm. You use the add option, and once you are done, you select the tick option, and that is pretty much it for the alarm clock setting. You can use raise hand to activate display. That is raise to activate display. That is when you raise it up this way, it will come on like this, and when you release your hand downwards, it's going to go off, as you can see. To the review. After using this Oraimo fitband for a few hours, I've gotten a lot from it. In fact, a lot of people that have used this guy before me told me some things about it too. Now, what I like about this guy is the lightweight. It's very lightweight in the hand and it looks nice. You are also going to be getting some health features such as heart rate monitoring, step counter, age training mode, and the rest. What I don't like about this guy is you can't change the wallpaper. This is because it comes with a small screen, so you are stuck with the 3 default wallpaper. The other one is that the bands are proprietary, which means that if this band cut or spoil, that is the end of using it. Though it will take a long time before this band can cut, or if you mishandle it, then it will cut. Aside from this, I think this is a very good smart band for the kids and teens. It is a perfect gift for your loved one too. Adults can use it, and if you don't want a smartwatch, this smart band is a good alternative. It is better than the generic smart bands out there that have no real sensor, but this Oraimo fitband gives you close to accurate heart rate measurement and other health status. And if you want to buy anything from Oraimo, please use the discount code showing right on your screen, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace.